Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, however this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we will be replacing a set of front complete strut assemblies on a 2005 Honda CRV. This set fits the 2002 through 2006 CRV all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by SENSEN when replacing your worn-out struts. These complete strut assemblies by SENSEN come with a limited lifetime warranty. SENSEN uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 18mm socket to remove the tire rod arm, pliers to remove the ABS wire clip, a 12mm socket to remove the brake hose, a 24mm socket and 19mm wrench to remove the two bottom bolts, and a 14mm socket for the top three nuts. You'll also need a 15mm socket for the new nuts on top.
Tire rod nuts. Remove the brake hose. That is a 12mm. Next I'm going to remove the two lower strut mounting bolts. They are 24mm. This side is a 19. Lower the vehicle and get the three upper mounting bolts. Three are 14mm, sorry.
Yeah, everybody's been sick this year.
going to be 15 millimeter. Next I'm going to break those back on.
Back there.
Install the outer tire rod. Yeah.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation on a 2005 Honda CRV. Be sure to watch our rear complete strut assembly installation on this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.